behold a marvel, carved not by gods, but by men. Through jungle mist and ancient stone, it stands. The 9 Arch Bridge, whispering legends through every moss-covered brick. The winds of Ella howl with awe, the mountains bow in reverence. "What sorcery is this?" cries the traveler, eyes wide with disbelief. No steel? No reinforcements? Just stone, sweat, and brilliance. And yet, it holds. Steam bellows, a horn cries, and then the train! It snakes through the valley, roaring across the arches like a dragon dancing on air. Villagers wave, birds scatter, and the world holds its breath. The earth rumbles, the skies open. You're not just watching a train. You're witnessing magic on rails. Built by hands now dust, it still defies time, still carries dreams across the clouds. And I stand here, arms raised, laughing into the mist. Ah, ha, ha, ha! Let history echo. Let every traveler know the 9 Arch Bridge isn't just a crossing. It's a portal to wonder.